Everywhere you look, you see plans to get you skinny just in time for the beach, or programs that promise you a beach body by summer. These are usually crash diets and extreme exercise programs that are not conducive to a healthy lifestyle and often incredibly unsafe after a month or two. It's not all bad news though. If you commit to a healthy lifestyle consisting of a balanced diet and a reasonable workout regimen, you can obtain something even better than a beach body for summer. You can get your dream body for life. Hi, this is Kelly from Isolator Fitness and welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about how to get your dream body for life with meal prep, even if you don't know where to start. Getting and maintaining your dream body for life isn't about severely cutting calories, hitting the gym for 2 to 3 hours per day, or avoiding restaurants and drinking nothing but water. Having your ideal body is about adapting to a new, healthier way of doing things every day, a way that's manageable and sustainable for the duration of your life, not just a few weeks or months. Your diet is worth 80% of your overall fitness, so no matter how much you work out in the gym or on the field, you won't see much progress in your health and fitness levels unless you learn to eat more healthy. Making sure that your diet is balanced and full of nutrients is the most important aspect to maintaining your dream body for life. The easiest way to maintain a healthy and balanced diet is to practice meal prepping. Plan and cook healthy meals, then pack them into individual portions to take with you to enjoy during the days that you won't be able to prepare the nutritious meal at home. You'll be more likely to stick to a nutritious diet if it's convenient. Remember that practice makes perfect, so the more you pack your meals, the easier and more habitual it will become. Meal prepping begins with getting the right equipment. You will need something reliable and durable, like our ISO bag, so that you can be sure that your meals stay fresh and cold throughout the day. A small purchase like this will motivate you to keep at it when you first get started. A little tip when it comes to meal prepping and deciding on what to make is that you don't want to get too adventurous right off the bat. Begin by prepping meals that you know you're going to enjoy and that are simple to make. This will ensure that you don't get off track while your habits are changing. And guys, don't forget, you will also need to make sure that you're active to see the results that you want. You can get active by doing something you enjoy. That way it won't feel like a chore, but rather something that you cannot wait to do. Thinking about getting active as a way of life rather than a workout is a great way to keep your dream body. When you're having fun being active, exercise will no longer feel like something that you have to do, and instead it will be something that you want to do and something that you wake up looking forward to doing. If you really love hiking, playing tennis, running, or swimming, or any other physical activity, go ahead and incorporate it into your daily and weekly workout routine. You might be surprised at how often you make time to exercise when you love what you're doing. I hope you enjoyed these tips for how to get your dream body for life. You can get started today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe below and like this video.